In this video, let us see the various tools and options present in the Review tab in the MS Excel included in MS Office 2021. The Review tab is used for checking spelling and grammatical mistakes, tracking the data changes, inserting comments and sheet, or workbook protection. The proofing group contains buttons to check spelling and word alternatives through Thesaurus. It also shows the total number of different items in the active workbook. For example, there may be spelling mistakes in the worksheet, and we may want to review and correct them. To do that, click on Spellings in the proofing group. It will show all the spelling mistakes one by one and also suggest the correct spelling. Using Thesaurus, Microsoft Excel will suggest words with similar meanings which can be used as alternates. The Accessibility tool helps in identifying and fixing accessibility issues within Excel documents, such as missing alt text for images, improper table structure, and default sheet names. For example, we have not given any name to our sheet. It may be confusing for anyone else looking at the sheet. So, it is notified as an accessibility issue. So, let us give a name to our sheet. Now, when we run the accessibility tool again, this error will be removed. Insights button is powered by Bing and provides wiki articles and top related searches from the web. For example, to add a percentile column in the sheet, we want to search the web to understand what is percentile and how it is calculated. To do this, select the word percentile and click on Smart Lookup. It will search the web and show the related information in the sheet itself. The Language button provides a translator service. For example, to convert the language in the sheet from English to French, simply select the text, click on Translate, and choose the language as French in the To section. Comments group contains buttons for adding or deleting comments related to data of the cell or cell range. We looked up the definition of percentile and we want to make it available to other people using the sheet. So, we can add this definition as a comment in this column. The definition will then show only on mouse over. Protect group contains buttons for data protection and accessibility to the worksheet or workbook. The first option, Protect Sheet, helps to password protect a worksheet. This is useful if multiple people are working on the same workbook and we do not want data to be edited or removed. To protect a worksheet, click on Protect Sheet and enter a password to lock it. Now, if we or anyone else tries to modify the sheet, it will be disallowed. To unlock the sheet, click on Unprotect Sheet. Similarly, to lock the entire workbook, Instead of individual sheets, use the option Protect Workbook. Hide Ink drop-down contains the commands Hide Ink, Delete all ink on sheet and delete all ink on workbook. Here, ink refers to the digital pen or stylus input that can be used for drawing, writing, or annotating as explained in the Draw tab tutorial. Let us add some annotations on the sheet. To hide the ink annotations, click on the Hide Ink option. Now, the annotations are hidden. To bring them back, click on Hide Ink once again, and the annotations will be visible. To delete annotations, use options Delete all ink on sheet or Delete all ink on workbook. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.